Quick replace design. Elegant design and finish. The product is manufactured in China. Quick replace design. No water shutoff needed. The GE GXULQR Kitchen or Bath Filtration System replacement filter for GXULQ system. Helps reduce chlorine, taste and odor, sediment, sand, silt, rust and turbidity. Provides filtered water for cooking and drinking. Replacement filter for GXULQ Twist and Lock design for tool-free filter changes. NSF certified, housing not included. Top reviews from the United States. Great for removing chlorine taste smell. Our local water utility changed to a cheaper treatment method that left our water tasting smelling like a swimming pool. This is a refill cartridge for the GXULQ unit and is effective at removing chlorine taste smell for a reasonable cost and does not require a separate faucet. Our water is once again drinkable right from the kitchen tap. Water flow is slightly diminished but acceptable. Installation is very simple. Check out the Filter Doctor video for a demonstration. Overall very satisfied in the short time we've been using it. Jury is still out on longer term performance.